Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to set camera access on all websites in Safari. Why would you want to know how to set camera access on all websites in Safari? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to set camera access on all websites in Safari. So today I am going to show you how to set camera access on all websites in Safari. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting camera access on all websites in Safari is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will set camera access on all websites in Safari. First of all, open settings in your iPhone and now first scroll down this page until we found Safari and then tap on it. Now in this new screen, first of all, scroll it to the bottom of this page and then click on camera. And now in this screen, click on allow. And now your camera has been allowed to all websites in Safari. So there you go. If you were wondering how to set camera access on all websites in Safari, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.